oranges. Orange soda, orange sickles, orange rolls. We're surrounded by oranges. They're in our bathrooms, in our kitchens, and even on our clothes. And as a color, they're found in even more places. In fact, if I didn't look so bad in orange, I'd probably be wearing an orange shirt right now. But what are the origins of the word orange? The word originally comes from the Dravidian peoples of ancient India. It was later borrowed into Sanskrit as naranga, and then the fruit and the word made its way into Persia. After that, it worked its way farther west into the Arabic-speaking countries, where it was known as naranj. Spanish speakers may recognize this as a cognate with the Spanish word naranja. In the early 1300s, Arab traders brought a bitter orange, later known as the Seville orange, from the Middle East to Sicily, and the fruit quickly spread throughout the rest of Europe. It was in Italian and French that the word originally lost its initial N sound through a process known as meta-analysis, or rebracketing. Italian's indefinite article, ending with the same sounds as the first two letters of the word naranj, absorbed the initial N sound. Una naranj became un'arancia. And even more understandably, when the French borrowed the word into their language, the boundary between the article une and the word naranj became all too unclear. Une orange became une orange. They're pretty much pronounced exactly the same. The process is called rebracketing precisely because the word boundaries are changed. They're rebracketed. They're redefined. Where once the boundary between words existed here, it was later put here. To give you a better idea of just how easy this is to happen, especially in a world where coming across the word in writing would have been exceedingly more rare, try saying the following. An orange, an orange. They're pronounced almost exactly the same in careful speech and exactly the same in casual speech. So when the French began to use this new and exotic word primarily in speech, some knew they were saying une orange, but others heard it as une orange. And it's here when the word enters the English language via French as an orange. It was later in the 16th century, when the word had already spread throughout all of Europe, that the sweet orange, the orange we know and love today, was brought from China to Europe by Portuguese merchants, and later to the Americas by the Spanish. It is also around this time when we begin to see the word used to describe the color. Until next time. Aren't you glad I didn't tell a cheesy joke about oranges?